Community Library STEAM Club. Today I'm going to show you how to make winter crystals. This is what you need to make this activity work. You need some pipe cleaners. We've got our rainbow, so we've got lots of different colours of pipe cleaners. You need borax, found at the supermarket. You need boiling hot water, so you might need an adult to do this one. You need scissors, a piece of string to hold your pipe cleaner shape into the container. You need a deep container, and you can have a stick from the yard, or I've got a ruler here to tie my pipe cleaners onto. And you need a spoon. So gather all those materials and we'll see you back here shortly and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so let's make our pipe cleaner crystals. We're calling it Winter Crystals activity. I've made a rainbow out of my pipe cleaners just by bending them around, and then I've tied one of the pipe cleaners around one end, and then I've got my string that I'm using to leverage into my container, and I'm going to tie the other end of my rainbow with my string. It's really important that you do the string step, because once your crystals are submerged into the liquid, you don't want to move them at all. So I'm nearly ready. I've also made a love heart, just a little love heart, just to see the difference between each shape. I'm just going to wrap the string around my ruler, and then you can see that I'm ready to submerge. But before I do that, I'm going to do my solution. So depending on the size of your container means how much borax you need. So for my container, I'm going to put about 5 to 3, 4, 5 heaped tablespoons of borax. And then remember, you need your boiling hot water, so an adult would be best to do this with you, okay? So we've boiled this from our kettle and it's ready to go in. All I need is enough water to cover my pipe cleaners. And before my pipe cleaners go in, I need to mix until all the borax is dissolved. So if you don't feel confident to do this around the really hot water, you can have an adult do it for you, or you could get a big wooden spoon so that your hand's nowhere near the steamy water. So after a good minute of mixing, until you look down, I've got a see-through container so it's easy for me to see that everything's dissolving. You stop, you grab your branch or your ruler or your pop stick, whatever's holding your string, and submerge. Wait at least 24 hours, so your crystals are going to start forming even after an hour. So you can come back in an hour and have a look, but if you wait 24 hours, you may see some beautiful glistening crystals like this. If you want to share them with us, we'd love to have a look. What is the science behind this activity, Winter Crystals? It's a chemistry activity involving solids, liquids, and a soluble solution, which is our borax. Crystals form in nature when liquids cool and start to harden. Molecules within the liquid gather together as they attempt to become stable. This causes a uniformed and repeated pattern that forms. So that's why you need to keep your pipe cleaners very still and quiet and stable as the heat cools out of the water, and then you'll get your crystals. for watching.